Hey, welcome to our channel where we explore the world of wellness, what it means, what it covers, and how you can start your own business in this growing field. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is wellness? Wellness isn't just about being physically fit, it's also about taking care of your whole self, your mind, your body, and your emotions. It's all about finding a good balance in everything you do, like eating well, staying active, and also taking care of yourself both mentally and emotionally. Now, you might be wondering, can these businesses thrive online? Absolutely. In today's digital age, possibilities are endless. With the right strategies and platforms, you can reach a global audience and provide valuable wellness services from the comfort of your own home. You can utilize the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with your target audience. Create engaging content that resonates with your followers and showcases the value of your wellness services. Regularly update your blogs with informative articles and wellness tips to attract organic traffic. You can collaborate with influencers and wellness experts to enhance your online visibility and credibility. To shine in a busy market, you have got to figure out what makes your wellness business different from the rest. Maybe it's your special skills, a fresh way of doing wellness, or services that nobody else has. That's what makes people notice. From virtual therapy sessions and personalized skincare consultations to guided meditation sessions and online fitness classes, the possibilities are endless. But how do you get started? It all starts with a solid plan. Identify your niche, research your target audience, and develop a compelling brand identity. Decide what area of wellness you want to focus on. It could be yoga, mental health, nutrition, or anything else. This will help you stand out in the market. Create a brand that reflects your values. Choose a name, color, logo, and messaging that convey the essence of your online wellness center. Ensuring the safety and well-being of your customers is the paramount for building trust and loyalty. Implement robust data protection policies to safeguard your customers' personal information. Running an online wellness business means you can work from anywhere as long as you have got the internet. This gives you the freedom to make your own schedule. Thus, you can have a better work-life balance. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to wellness? With passion, dedication, and innovation, you can change lives and make a big impact in the online wellness center. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such amazing content on entrepreneurship and wellness. Until next time, take care and stay well.